G'day, here's a parcel of larger pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, haven't moved the pieces. Do a quick tour around the plate. Pieces. Rules in millimetres. Don't forget you can stop at any time and have a look. Some of this has got nice straight bars. A few pieces like those two black bits on the end here, it's got nothing in them. It's a bit of a mixture. I'll pick up a few and show you. Bar on the top. This is probably one of the better pieces in the parcel. You can see a colour just showing through there, but there's about 4 bars of colour there. That red one there's coming up. There it is there again. There's another one on the top. You might be able to get a fine saw and cut it in half. Pieces like this, nice straight bars, easy to cut, probably end up a bit of crystal, but you can see the colours there over a wide area. There's another piece, colour just in the middle. You see the bar showing through. A few bits like this that are extra bright, but probably have to carve it. But that gives you a bit of an idea what you're getting for your money. Cheers.